Hello, welcome to How to Install a RAM Memory. Now please welcome our hosts, Eric and Jonathan.
Oh. So tell me, Eric, are we going to be installing RAM today?
That's right, Jonathan. So let's get our thinking caps on. First, you want to ground yourself by grabbing the rim of the tower.
What happens if we don't ground ourselves, Eric?
Well, Jonathan, why don't you find out yourself and give that old cow a squeeze?
Okay, I will. Well, howdy, partner. Who are you?
Hello there, Jonathan. I'm electricity.
Well, Jonathan, do you see where we ground ourselves?
I sure do, Eric. Gee whiz, I feel like a silly goose.
Alright, on to the next step. This is RAM. This will help you out tremendously. So much that you would be amazed at the things you could do. On the internet, homework assignments, music, and about anything else that you could probably think of. Whatever you do, do not touch the copper. No, no. Never.
Well, Eric, what happens if we don't snap the clips on tight?
Well, Jonathan, whenever we start the computer, the RAM could actually cause a spark and cause a house fire. We wouldn't want that now, would we? Now we have to turn on the computer. You have to push or press 3 keys quickly, and those keys are escape, F1, and delete. Once those are pressed, you will come to a menu of information, and all you need to do is look at the RAM memory that you have installed and to see if it's installed correctly. Well, look at the time. I guess that about wraps it up for us. Until next time. No! It's not funny!